So log in, make sure you're on Google, and you've logged into Google. So then you're going to go to the array. Click it, and then go to Google Slides. Awesome. And then you're going to click blank presentation. Okay, once you click blank presentation, you're going to delete these boxes out of here, and you are ready. So now let's find our ecosystem. And you can choose whatever ecosystem you want. Today I'm going to show you a desert ecosystem. So we need to choose a background image, and it needs to be one of a desert. So go to Google image search and then put in desert. What's the difference between a desert and the desert? A dessert is so good. So you spell dessert with 2 S's, desert with 1. They're spelled almost exactly alike. All right, click on desert. Ooh, look, wonderful pictures of deserts. We're gonna go ahead and insert, done. We have producers in there. Now we gotta get some animals. So how about a coyote? So let's click on image search from the web. It pops us up on your right. And let's put in transparent. That means we'll be able to see through it. If something is transparent, you can see through it. Transparent coyote. Oh, look. Well, that's a wolf. Well, we got this dude here. Let's put him in there. Wow, you see how you don't see a white background? It's transparent. Everybody say transparent. Very good. All right, so we minimized him. Did you see how I did that? I found a corner and just minimized it down. He doesn't need to be that small. We're gonna make him a little bigger. All right, but he's headed the wrong direction. I like my stuff to go from the left to the right. So I'm gonna click on him. I'm gonna do a right click. And then I'm going to rotate image, flip horizontally. There you go. And I'm gonna slide him off to the side, way off to the side here. Slide him off to the side. Because he doesn't need to start in there. He's there, I know. And then I'm gonna change my view on the screen. I'm gonna change my view on the screen so that it's smaller. I'm gonna zoom in 50%. Yeah, okay. I can probably zoom less. No, not zoom to fit. View, zoom. All right, I got me another couple of characters. I got a mouse, I have a snake, a wolf, a coyote, and I have a cowboy on a horse. It was the only one that I could find on my stuff. So now we're ready to make our stop motion video. Okay, I'm going to position the starting points for all of my characters by dragging them with my mouse, exactly where I want them to be placed. Okay, so this is my first slide. Now what you actually see on the first slide, you don't see anything on the sides on the first slide. So let me show you what it looks like. So far this is my first slide. I think I'm gonna even move him back here. Okay, now when I wanna come out of full screen, I hit escape and it minimizes it. It goes back small. So I think I'm gonna make him even smaller, and I'm gonna put him up here like he's coming down this way. Okay, and we're gonna see him move. Now I've got them at the edge, and I'm gonna bring him across, and now I'm ready to go. All right, so what you do is you're going to click over on your left, and we're going to copy. So you use Command or Control C to copy, and then you're going to hit Command V to paste, and it gives you a duplicate slide. And then you click on each one of the animals and you use your arrow key and only move it over like 2. So I'm going to use my right arrow key and I'm going to go 1, 2 and move him over. Then the mouse, I'm going to use my left arrow key and I'm going to move the mouse over 1, 2. Okay, and then the snake, I may move him down just one. And then I go Command C or Control C, hold the control down, or Command if you're on an Apple, and press V, and now you have number 3. And then we're going to move him over. 1, 2. And we're going to move the mouse over. 1, 2. And I'm going to move the snake down. Well, over and down 1. Okay? Go Control Copy. Control V for paste. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Down 1. Once you're finished with all of your slides, go back and watch it. You can arrow down through your slides. So, arrow down through your slides and make sure it looks good and fix anything that you need to. Then you'll go to File, Publish to the Web. You'll want to advance the slides every second and check off Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. You can check off Restart the slideshow after the last slide and it'll have a loop. Start Slideshow, Command C. Open up another tab, paste, Control or Command V, and it should load and play it for you. There you go. You have done a stop motion video.